All right, got mine and Weston's bikes out here. So I put some new grips on the 450, and it hurt me. It pained me. I had the ODI Rogues. I told you guys I love the pattern on the Rogue, and I love the feel of the Rogue. It's grippy. I like everything about it, but where it's a fatter grip, it's causing me arm pump in moto. I don't have a problem with the Rogue off-road, so I run it on my 300 XC, but for moto, it's giving me arm pump way more than my half waffles did. So I thought, man, it's got to be the size of the grip, because guys with really big hands, they tend to like fatter grips because that lessens their arm pump. But guys with smaller hands tend to like thinner grips because that lessens their arm pump. So I thought, man, if the Rogues are giving me more arm pump, then I'm going to go the opposite direction from the half waffles and get a full diamond. And that's kind of what this is. It's got a little bit of like waffly grip on the back, but this is actually, going to be a smaller profile than a half waffle. So I couldn't tell if I liked them or if they looked kind of weird, but these are actually sold by KTM. They're made by ODI, obviously, standard lock-ons, but they're full diamond with the KTM logo in the back and then this pattern on the front. So I'm going to try these. Yes, I know that this part's going to get dirty, which is kind of annoying. It's already got dirty just from me putting it on. But I'm going to see how these feel. I'm going to get some time on these this weekend and see if the arm pump feels any better, and I'll report back to you guys.